In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Godaddy website builder site. Whether you want to enhance your site's atmosphere or create a unique audio experience for your visitors, it only takes a few minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log in to Godaddy Start by heading to the Godaddy homepage using your preferred web browser. At the top right, click Sign In and log in to your Godaddy account. Step 2. Go to your website. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section. Here you'll see a list of all the websites and services associated with your account. Find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website. Step 3. Open the Website Builder. This takes you to Godaddy's website Builder Editor, where you can fully customize your site's layout and content. From here, click Add Section. This option allows you to insert new types of content into your web pages. Step 4. Add the Music section. In the Add Section menu, type Music or Audio into the search bar. Look for the Audio section and click on it. This section allows you to upload or embed music that will play directly on your website. Once selected, click Add to insert the audio player into your desired section of the page. Step 5. Upload or link your music. After adding the audio section, you'll be prompted to upload your music file, typically MP3, or embed a link from a third-party service like SoundCloud. Adjust placement and settings as needed, then click Save to publish the changes. That's it. You've successfully added music to your Godaddy website. Visitors will now enjoy a more engaging and immersive experience as they explore your content.